This is a U-Link and NAND module. This NAND module is initially designed for programming the NAND flash, like with this adapter to program the NAND flash on the board. We can program the MR33 router as well as the cable modems. You can also program the NAND chip if you have this adapter, so you can clip on this thing and then put the flash chip on here and to do the programming. Now with the proper setup, these are just I/O pins, and I have designed a board like this one. You can also click on this and lock it. There's no way you can clip on the other way because it's not, you cannot lock on. So this one allows you to lock on it, and this side will provide you the connection to the cars with the CAN bus, CAN high and CAN low, as well as the VPW pin, and also have the 12 volt and the ground pin. Now you do not need, with this setup, you do not need to use the 5 volt modification for the CAN bus, and internally this is done. And it also provides you 2 jump wires to add the 120 ohm resistor to the properly terminate the CAN bus. And if you have 1 jump on, it will add 120 ohm. And if you work with the TCU like T87A, you need 2 jump wire on it, and it will work. Now, if you are work in the vehicle, you may need non-jump at all because it's all these CAN bus is already properly terminated. On this board, we also have a circuitry to do the VPW, which is older protocol to program the ECU, which is what we are going to talk about in this video. So this is ECU P01, and previously we are using this module to program through the BDM, and I have seen people are interested in seeing using the single wire to program the ECU without opening the case and without this mess up with the 120 ohm resistor to jump on. Now the BDM method is when the ECU is bricked and you have no other way, then you do need to open it and use the BDM. But this option allows people to program this device without opening the case. So this is the pinout for this EP01, and this pin is ground pin and 2 wires for 12 volt. And this is the VPW pin, which is J1850 pins. And on this board, this green wire is put to the VPW pin, and also we have the ground pin as well as 12 volt. So the setup is simple. You click this board on and you make the proper connection to the ECU and the wires, 12 volt and VPW pins. You plug in the USB and wait until this start blinking, and the software UI shows the proper menus in the script. Now we can power on the ECU, and then we can start reading the ECU info. You need to wait about 10 seconds to start detecting the flash, downloading our own kernel. In here, we can read the VIN number as well as the other information here. So we can try to hit detect ID, and it will send seed and key, and it will stay on the debugger on and tell you the proper flash. So now let's do a full flash read. And the reading speed is about 4.78 kilobyte, and it will take about 1 minute and 50 seconds to finish the read. In your case, you probably need to read once and then verify once to make sure you have good backup before you do any programming. So finish read, we can save this file, and this will take 1 minute and 51 seconds. Assume I'm going to write the flash. Let's say I want to load the flash, which is this one, and then we say I'm going to write, and are you sure? So we say yes, and it will take 2 seconds to do the erase, and then start programming. And programming seems to be faster than the reading. I think I tested, it takes about 1 minute and 38 seconds to do the programming. Programming finished, it will do the verification, and it will take about 2 minutes to do the verify. So compare finish. We have successfully programming this ECU P01 with the unique NAND and this daughter board combination. In the future, I'm going to make more videos with this combo as well as doing the VPW or CAN bus. My next video will be P12, VPW programming the master and the slave.